Let's get in the kitchen and make some creamy, delicious Rasta pasta. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some Rasta pasta with shrimp. I made this recipe about 5 years ago here on my channel, but this is an updated version. Starting out with some red, green, and yellow bell peppers, I'm going to be using some butter to go ahead and saute it. Once the butter has melted down nicely, I'm going to go ahead and add in my minced garlic and extra virgin olive oil. After I add in the garlic, I go ahead and add in all the bell peppers. We're going to saute the peppers for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want to maintain some crunchiness to it, so 5 to 7 minutes work perfectly over medium heat. Once the peppers are nicely sauteed, it's time to get started on the shrimp. Here I have some shrimp that is seasoned. Over medium heat, I added in 1 tablespoon of butter to the pot and allow the shrimp to cook. To get the perfect texture, I cook the shrimp on each side for about 3 minutes. Once they're cooked, I remove them from the pot and just put them to the side for later. The next step is to boil the penne for the pasta. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add in some plain salt, pour in all the penne into the pot. Give it a nice stir and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, be sure to pour all that water off to drain it. Now it's time to make that creamy, delicious Rasta pasta sauce. For the sauce, I'm getting started with melting down some butter. Then I add in some heavy whipping cream. Give it a nice stir to combine the butter and the heavy whipping cream. This has become my go-to jerk seasoning, the Walkerswood hot and spicy. This is so delicious. If you don't really like the heat, you could opt for the mild version. Once I add in the jerk seasoning, I just stir it all together to get all the flavors, spices, and all that goodness in there. For the cheese, I like to use this Fiesta blend mix because it just adds this perfect cheesy goodness to the pasta. You have to try it to see what I'm talking about. You want to make sure that you continuously stir to get that cheese nice and melted down. Now it's time to add in the sauteed bell peppers into the sauce. Stir it, get it nice and coated in there. Add in the penne and stir to combine everything. I added in 1 more tablespoon of Walkerswood jerk seasoning. This is because I prefer my Rasta pasta on the spicier side, and I just adjusted the spice level just a bit. This is completely optional. Next, I added in the cooked shrimp that I put aside earlier. And once again, I'm just combining everything to get the flavors all throughout and to get that nice creaminess all throughout the pasta as well. For a bit of added flavor to the overall pasta, I'm adding in some garlic salt, onion powder, and black pepper. Once again, we're just gonna stir to combine all the flavors together. Once everything is combined, this is how the pasta looks. For a nice little finishing touch, we're going to bring the flavors all together by allowing it to cook for 5 minutes. And here you have it, the finished Rasta pasta with shrimp. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you do try this recipe. Let me know also what other recipes you'd like to see. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.